Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change a WordPress theme. Why would you want to know how to change a WordPress theme? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to change a WordPress theme. So today I am going to show you how to change a WordPress theme. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing a WordPress theme is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will change a WordPress theme. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to appearance in the left menu and then click on themes. Now in this page, first click on add new, and then now you can select any theme or you can search theme name. Now just click on install. Now wait for 2 seconds and then click on activate, and that theme has been activated on WordPress. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change a WordPress theme, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.